You don't even have on your, you ain't even got on your lashes. You come,
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
What it do, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sue me Sue, about to do the do. Okay, how y'all been? We are back in here. Today we have another sponsor and I'm super excited. But before we get into that, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe. Join the tribe. It's free. Help your girl out, okay? If you made it this far, might as well go ahead and help me so I can help you. Anyway, so today we have a sponsor. Today's sponsor is by Sheglam. This is my second time to work with them, but today we are mainly focusing on complexion. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Sheglam Complexion Pro Long-Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. This next level sweat and waterproof formula is free of fragrance and packed with non-pore clogging ingredients. It's breathable and lightweight on the skin. It delivers a semi-matte filter-like finish and it is buildable. We will also be trying out the 12-hour full coverage concealer. This concealer is a soft matte finish. It also has anti-inflammatory ingredients to help with puffiness under the eyes. And lastly, we will be trying out the Bake Glow setting powder. This is a translucent oil controlling setting powder. It minimizes and blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles and will not leave your face feeling cakey. Lots of goodies here that I am super excited to try out, and I hope you guys are excited to get into this video as much as I am, okay? The heat almost took me out. Did it almost take you out too? Girl, I'm gonna do another soft glam type of look, another easy type of look, so you guys, you know, can do the same thing, replicate the same thing, you know. And it's a great way to, you know, get into summer. Like summertime, we always tend to do like bronzy type of looks, so that's what I am going to be doing for you guys today. So without further ado, boo-boo, let's zoom in so we can get within. So I am going to be using the VIVA LEOPARD palette, and the first color I am going to go into is Pause of Attraction. And with that color, no, I lied. I lied. The first color I'm going to go into is called Show Your Teeth, and with this color, what I'm going to do is start to create my transition, and we're just going to really buff this into the crease and create that shape. Always look at your eye, map out your eye, know the type of eyeshadow that you like, okay? For me, I don't like the really blown out, dragged out type of eyeshadow that takes over all of your lid. Basically, I kind of like to keep it a little tight. I kind of like to have a little bit of brow bone showing. You get what I'm saying? So always look at your eye, find your shape, and always go from there, okay? That's how you're gonna have the most clean, pristine, you know, just really flawless looking eyeshadow, basically, all right? Okay, now I'm gonna go into Pause of Attraction, and with that color, I'm going to deepen up that outer V and just slightly carry it over a little bit, not all the way over. At least we're gonna see, okay? So I'm gonna use a smaller brush for this and really dig into the crease just to create that shape so I can have a lot of depth in there. And this is just a beautiful red chocolatey type of color, which is great for every single skin tone, and it's gonna give you that really nice bombshell type of look. Okay, so whoop-de-whoop, shibbity-boop-boop-boop. I want to do something a little bit different. So for this, I am going to put down a white base right in the inner corner right here, because I really want this color that I'm about to put here to pop, okay? So whenever you want your colors to pop, always go in with a white base, all right? I'm just going to pat this out. I'm not going to drag it out too much because I do want, you know, for the color to be concentrated right here. Okay, next I'm going to take Heavenly Habit, and with that color, I'm going to place that right in there. I was going to do like a traditional, you know, type of eye, but let's have some fun. Okay, so with this, I'm going to just pat that right in the inner corner right here. Okay, so I'm gonna take Golden Coat, and with that, we're gonna place that right in the center, and we're gonna overlap and blend everything together. Oh, I like this. Ooh, that is pretty. That is pretty. Come on now. Okay, for my lower lash line, I'm gonna go back into Pause of Attraction, which is that same dark brown. And we're just gonna push that right in there. Now, when I'm done with my face makeup, I think I'm gonna go back into the orange color, Heavenly Habit, and just buff that on the very, you know, edge area, just kind of, you know, give it some flair. But that is basically it. How easy. And we decided to turn up and have some fun. Okay, so I'm gonna pop on my lashes and let's zoom out because we finished show. Okay, time for the face. Let's get into it. Favorite part. If you don't even have on your, you ain't even got on your lashes. You come. Okay, so I picked up a few of their well, not a few. I picked up 2 of their foundations. I picked up the matte one and the hydrating one. The one that I'm going to be using today is the matte one. This is their Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. Box looks like this, and it promises that, it says, and I quote, wear this long wearing buildable foundation to the gym or for a night out with the girls. It's a complexion perfecting pro no matter where you go. Come on now, Sheglam. Now, talk about giving luxury for an affordable price. It comes in a little velvet case. Look at me. Oh my God. It comes in a little velvet case. Like, how cute is this? Come on now. And it has the little S up there for the Sheglam logo. So the shades that I have are Camel and Toffee. Okay, so looking straight out of the bottle, I feel like I am definitely going to be on the Camel side because it's giving a little deep red type of vibe, whereas Toffee is a little bit more on the neutral side, but I feel like they both can still go. Okay, now I also have the hydrating foundation, but I'm going to be saving the hydrating foundation for another video. And it also comes in a little velvet case, and when you pull it out, it looks like this. And likewise, I also got Toffee and Camel in the same formula, but today I'm definitely going to be doing matte because we are in the summertime and we need something long wearing and mattifying. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and swatch. First, I'm gonna go in with Toffee and swatch Toffee, and let's see what shade. Ooh, Toffee looks good. Wait, that's Toffee. Okay, that's a little light, but like right here, I felt like, you know, I feel like it can still go because once you start to blend that out. And here is Camel. Let's see what Camel looks like. Okay, so I feel like I'm definitely Camel, so I'm gonna go with Camel. Now, I also got their foundation brush, and it comes with like a little dip in the middle. I don't know if you guys can see that from my lights, but basically you're supposed to like squirt the foundation in there, but I'm not going to be doing all of that. But I'm definitely going to be trying out the brush just to see what it's giving. Okay, now I've already moisturized, prepped, and primed. I didn't pick up a primer or anything like that from them, so I'm just using what I like to use already. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty darn good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and continue to pat this in. No, I'm kind of shook right now knowing that it's super affordable. Wait, that looks really good. I'm gonna keep going until it dries, but that looks pretty good. That looks really good. It doesn't have a smell or anything like that. It just smells like, you know, makeup, you know, the regular makeup scent. There's no perfumes or anything like that in this, so it should be skin friendly for everyone. Okay, so I also picked up 2 of their concealers. Now, the concealer is a 12-hour full coverage concealer, and the 2 shades that I have are Walnut and Barley Sugar. Okay, so Walnut is a little bit on the deeper side. This one is Walnut and this is Barley Sugar. Now on my camera it looks really light, but I promise you in person it's a little bit more yellowy, like how I like it. So I'm going to be using Walnut and then Barley Sugar. I'm going to just put in the very corners right there, like how I like to do it. Now it says that it's full coverage, so I don't know why I'm laying it on the way that I do. Like I should go in with a little bit first and then knock it out the park, you know? But here we are. Now to some of you that might look super light or whatever, but trust me, when I do my face, this is the color that I want, okay? And now I'm gonna go in with Barley Sugar. As you can tell, it's a little bit lighter, and I'm gonna be applying it just like so. Now for this, I'm definitely gonna be using a damp beauty sponge. I'm not gonna be using a brush or anything like that, okay? You know what? Let's give it a minute. Okay, so while that was sitting there drying, I went ahead and I did my contour off camera because I didn't pick up any contour shades, unfortunately. So we're just going to keep it pushing, all right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and start to blend this out. So you see, even though it's a very light shade, once you start to blend it out, it's gonna mix in with the foundation underneath and tone down a little bit, you know? So if you're like me and you like your eyes bright, You know, don't be scared, girl. Go ahead and do the do, boopty boop, shibbity boop boop boo, okay? I love a good bright under eye, I'm sorry. I forever will too, okay? You know what? I'm gonna put some of this on my top lip. This is Walnut. I'm gonna go in on my top lip because it needs a little bit, you know? I like that triangle shape right in the center of the face. I feel like it just, you know, brings the whole face together. Now, coverage wise, this looks pretty good, okay? This looks really good. I'm not even gonna hold you. Look at that, how it's just blending right in right there. Okay. This is the sister company or baby company off of Shein. You see what I'm saying? Sheglam. If you know anything about Shein, who doesn't know about Shein? Everybody and their mama know about Shein, okay? Very affordable clothing and fashion for everyone. They have all sorts of sizes and everything on there. Like, everybody loves to shop at Shein, and I see why. Even I shop at Shein. This right here, this is from Shein, okay? I know you lying. Okay. This looks really, really good. Okay, so now that we're here, I'm gonna go in and with that lighter color, I'm just gonna pounce that around right in there. We're not gonna drag it out too much. We're just gonna keep that right in the very tippy tops, right in that corner where I like it bright the most. Okay, so for me, the star of the show, even though the foundation is looking nice and everything, you never really see the magic come together until you set your face. So I picked up 2 of their loose setting powders, and it says this is the Sheglam Bake Glow Setting Powder, a weightless, translucent, highly oil controlled loose powder, naturally flawless and airbrush like finish. Okay, so the 2 colors that I have are it's right there in front of you, girl. Look good. Okay, I picked up chocolate and I picked up light brown. Girl, pray for me and light brown, okay? Oh, it comes with its own little puff. Okay, I need to take the thing off. Now, even though it says it's light brown, it has a bit of a peachy tone to it. You guys can't even see that because of my lights. But we're gonna go right in and we're gonna do the do, girl. Whoop-de whoop, shibbity boop boop boop. So I'm not gonna dilly and I'm not gonna dally. And I'm gonna treat this the way I would treat any of my other loose powders, which is setting it with a damp sponge. What's new? I was slightly scared of this powder because if you get this in person, like I said, it has a really peachy orangey type of tone, but it's actually coming out really pretty. Ooh. This looks really good. And it feels good too. Like, I don't even feel like I'm putting anything on my face. It's super lightweight. Look at that. This looks really good. Now, it did say that it was translucent. Did it not say translucent? You guys, weightless. Child, I'm trying to get wasteless. Okay, it says weightless and translucent, so I feel like maybe that's what's really, you know, because it's not like a highly pigmented type of powder, it's just doing the do. Yo, this really does look peachy, you know, but it's coming off, you know, it's coming off really bright. Now, I'm not worried about it because I know once I set my face with the rest of my powders and bronzify the Get Papi's eye and put on that blush, it's gonna look like, okay, we did not come to play. Okay, so here's the thing. I didn't pick up a bronzer and I didn't pick up any blush products or any lip products. So I'm gonna continue to do my face off camera and then we're just gonna come back and close out this video and I'll give you my final thoughts on what's going on here. Okay guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Very short and sweet, but the main focus was definitely the complexion on these products. The verdict: I believe that you just don't have to spend that much money to look great. Looking at me, you would never know that this was Sheglam makeup, like affordable makeup. You get what I'm saying? Like, so you don't have to break the bank. You don't have to go out there and follow all the trends and get all the expensive stuff to look great. Like, I absolutely love how this look came out and I'm super surprised at how all of the products perform. So I would definitely say go ahead and try it. And for the summertime, you definitely want to get the matte products, and maybe for when it's getting a little bit cooler, you can dabble into the hydrating products and stuff like that. Anyways, make sure you check out Sheglam. All the information on these products will be linked down below. So yeah, Listen, if it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch and we like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, everything is under my name. And until the next video, I will see you guys really, really soon.